To get started, launch the IMO app on your phone. At the top of the page, you will see two tabs. If you want to add the Calls tab, tap your profile picture in the top left corner to open your profile settings. In your profile, tap on Settings to proceed. Next, go to Functions. Under the Tabs section, you will see the new update called Show Calls. If you don't see it, make sure your IMO app is updated. Now, tap the toggle and switch it on to enable it. A confirmation window will pop up saying that you must restart IMO to show the Calls tab. Tap Confirm to proceed. You will then be redirected to the chat screen, where you will see the Calls tab appear between the previous two tabs. Tap on it. Here, you will see your complete call history. You can view only missed calls by tapping the Missed tab. Tap the three dots in the top right corner to manage your call history. You can batch delete specific calls, or clear all call history to remove every record. This feature lets you quickly access all calls and missed calls in one place for easier communication management. So that's how you can enable and use the Calls tab in IMO.